Firstly and most importantly is to install the requirements. Python 3.7 is an easy install. Add it to the system path. Anaconda install was easy. Add it to variable path on install. Microsoft C++ framework caused problems to install. Restart your COM with no programs running and it'll finally install. Install all the versions. Open a Windows CMD as admin and type pip install TensorFlow, TensorFlow Hub, TensorFlow CPU, TensorFlow MKL, Intel TensorFlow. If you have an AMD CPU, search for AMD TensorFlow download. This installs TensorFlow to your system. Hit return and it'll install. Open GitHub page and download real-time voice cloning zip by Corentin from the link below. Download the zip. Save it to your downloads folder and extract it there. Download FFmpeg unzip and run the 3exe in full build 125 megabytes. FFmpeg is here. Copy FFmpeg and paste it in real-time voice cloning folder. Download and unzip the pre-trained models from the link below. Use Google Drive or Dropbox. Go into the pre-trained models and copy the 3 files. Copy the 3 files. Go to real-time voice cloning and paste the 3 pre-trained model files. It will ask you to merge and go yes. Create environment. Conda 1 is my environment name, name yours accordingly. Install won't take long. Enter Y and return. Copy and paste to activate environment. Paste here. Now change directory to real-time voice cloning. CD is change directory. Copy link. Install PyTorch. For Anaconda use Conda. For Python use pip. Install correct version. Paste link and install PyTorch in your environment. Edit requirements.txt. Next is install requirements. Type below. Usual install process. Type below. Now you're in Anaconda directory. Type below. It's installed. Time to run the program. Type Conda, activate your environment name and hit return. CD into real-time voice cloning folder. Type demo toolbox.py and hit return. Keep patient for the startup process. Open Anaconda PowerShell, not the full Anaconda program, as it'll slow things down. If you have typed in commands before, use the arrow keys to cycle through the commands. CD into voice cloning folder. CD tips, drag and drop folder onto Anaconda cmd.exe window, or you can right click and copy address and paste to Anaconda cmd.exe window. You're now in voice cloning folder. Type or cycle through commands with the arrow keys. Wait for the program to start up, 1 minute and 8 seconds on my laptop. Here it is. Real-time voice cloning toolbox. Worth the wait? Not really. We'll experiment and see what it does. It's good to check the startup info for errors. The parameters are fine. I'll add things later if necessary. It's warning me TensorFlow isn't installed in my environment. I tried 30 different options but it didn't work out. Here are datasets you can download and add later.
I assume that as you're taking on the underworld, this symbol is a persona to protect those you care about from reprisal. toolbox to begin loading utterance from your datasets or record one yourself. Once its embedding has been created, you can synthesize any text written here. With the current synthesizer model, punctuation and special characters will be ignored. I assume that as you're taking on the underworld, this symbol is a persona to protect those you care about from reprisal.
Synthesize changes the spectrogram only. It doesn't produce any cloned voice. As you can see, when I hit synthesize, the spectrogram changes, not the embedding. Vocode changes embedding only. We want both embedding and spectrogram to change.
Come to the toolbox to begin loading utterance from your datasets or record one yourself. Once its embedding has been created, you can synthesize.
The best option is synthesize and vocode, as it changes embedding and spectrogram. Keep a notepad doc with all the commands ready to copy and paste. Here's my fast start commands. There is also a way of synthesizing via the command line which you can leave running overnight. We will try that way next time and check out the results. It's a more comprehensive way. I hope this setup guide helped you. I will post the Python environment guide too if you prefer that method. Thanks.